What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Hey to all my slay babies out there. I know y'all see this ombre, and that's what we'll be doing today. If you're a returning subscriber, hey boo, hey. If you are new here, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button. Let's go. All right, so today we'll be using these items here in those black sacks are Slay Life Hair, of course, which is my brand, launching October 18th. A rat tail comb, Wella bleaching powder, a mixing bowl, aluminum foil, 40 developer, and I did not picture it, but I'm also using 30 volume developer today as well. All right, so jumping right in, we're going to take 2 scoops of the Wella bleaching powder and put it in the big mixing bowl as well as the small mixing bowl. Now I will be making the small mixing bowl 30 volume developer, and the big one I'll be using the 40 volume developer. The reason I'm doing this is because the 40 volume developer will be using that on the bottom part of the hair. So we're going to start from the very bottom, and we're going to use the 30 volume developer on the top portion of the hair. I want the bottom part of the hair to take more quickly and actually bleach much lighter than the top part to get that ombre look that I'm going for. So that is the reason why we're using $30, not $30, 30 volume developer and 40 volume developer. All right, here's our first bundle of 26-inch Slay Life hair, also coupled with a 24-inch bundle as well. So 2 26 inches and 1 24-inch. So we're going to start with that 40 volume developer on the bottom. And like I said, we're going to start at the very bottom. So you see how I start right there? I want that to take quickly, and I want it to be much lighter than the rest of the hair. So that's why you start from bottom to top when you're doing an ombre. I'm just going to work that through with my comb. I'm using a brush and a comb, the brush to, put the developer on, and then the comb to work it through. Please use gloves. I did not have gloves here. I left them at the house, so I didn't have gloves with me. So don't be like me. That bleach can mess with your skin. So please wear gloves, please, please, please. And if you do get it on yourself, wipe it off very quickly. All right, so working that stuff through, and eventually you're going to see me here kind of separate the bundle, if that makes any sense, and make sure I put the bleach in the inside, like right there, how I'm doing that. I separated it, and you'll see me continue to do that, and I'll just pull the bundle apart and work that through. So now I'm going in with the 30 volume developer at the top part of the bundle. And now I'm working that in. And if you can see it, that 40 volume is already taking at the bottom part of this hair. So I'm moving very fast. Now, once you get that first part done, you do want to go ahead and put the foil on top of it so it can start to process. All right, so I'm continue working that 30 volume through. We're just gonna continue to do the same steps, work it through part of the part. Make sure that the inside of the bundle, it has bleach in it as well. Separate, put some bleach in there, work it through, separate the middle of the bundle, and do the same thing when you turn it around to the other side. So you just want to make sure that all of that stuff is worked in there. All right, so you see me separated there, and then I put the bleach in. Now, I will suggest, if you've never done the bleaching process before, unravel that bundle and stretch it out long ways and bleach it that way first. That way you don't have to do all the parting that I did, but I've bleached hair many a times before. So but yeah, so you see me just adding a little bit more 40 volume at the bottom there, but other than that, you're done. Let it sit. So what I did was, and I didn't film this part, and I definitely apologize about that. So once I rinsed off the bleach that I did in the first part of the video, I noticed that this color, like right in here, was up way too high, higher than I wanted it to be. So what I did to fix that, so if you ever run into this issue where you bleach it up too high and you need to just fix it, you can always just go get some color. So I had the what color is this? A medium brown, 376. This bottle right here. Alright. And let me see if I can get the sticker off so you guys can get the name. I'll do that in a second. And then I also mixed it with the honey brown from Kiss Colors, semi-permanent. I like using these bottles because you don't have to mix nothing. You know, it's easy. You just squirt and go, child. But I mixed those two together and used the brush right here. As you can see, this is the area where I did that. I still have this one processing, so that's the part where I put the color. And then also the ends were a little too honey brown, so I did go back and add another, after it dried, I processed it again at the ends with a 50 volume and the Quick Blue from L'Oreal. Okay, so those are the products that I did use. So this is the finished product. Color has been washed out. So now I got that nice, it goes from the original color of the bundles to like a nice brown, chocolatey, and then it tints down into a honey. And then it comes down to an even brighter honey color. And then the ends are lighter. You can't tell because, you know, it's damp, but yeah. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. I really, really like it. I will dry this out and then y'all will see the finished product. All right, so I did make her into a wig with a closure. You know, I can't resist. Look at this color, y'all. It is so pretty. This is SlayLifeHair that you're looking at. SlayLife has been trademarked. So SlayLife, we got trademarked, y'all. So we're launching October 18th. This is the bundles that I have in my hair right now. Y'all look at that color. Oh my goodness. Oh, just so pretty. Y'all go ahead and go to the website on October 18th. Get you some bundles, a bonnet, some lashes, an edge wrap, something. All right, thank you to all my slay babies who made it to the end of this video, and thank you to everybody who watched. You guys, this is the ombre. I really hope you love the way it turned out because I do. Again, this is from my very own brand, SlayLife. So SlayLifeHair, it will be launching October 18th. So please be on the lookout for that. I will also have my lashes up there as well as my bonnets and my edge wraps. So please go support your girl. All right. So don't forget to share this video, like, comment, and subscribe. This is your girl, J Slay, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.